Lucky. I may or may not be allergic to tobacco.
Sorry.
Let's not find out, shall we?
Yes. This one is from the young, from the lovely,
Young. Keep it up, I like
Human.
from the human right there with the purple shirt and gray hair. What's that purple
Okay, seriously.
That's gray.
Colorblind? Just kidding. I know that
You are colorblind.
Purple.
Yeah.
Gray and purple.
Play color.
And it's a yellow golden colored bag. It's a butter sword.
You can
What is
know
it, butter?
anything. The great Quentin. Yeah, this girl.
They're scooping out. What could it be?
And he gave a magical gift of
I'm
magicality.
focusing on the ice cream.
It's a box.
No way.
It's a present from the Christmas. It's from the Christmas update. They got it to you late.
My goodness. It
It's on the-
came from the what?
Okay, it's two things.
The book.
Calculus.
Oh my goodness. A brief history of time. The universe.
In a nutshell.
Okay, I wasn't sure if you had either of these books, so if you want, there's a gift receipt.
That is a gift. $20.
Like I use this. Yes. Oh my goodness. Thank you. This is brilliant.
So next time when you feel tempted to play Minecraft.
In a nutshell.
In a nutshell.
The history.
Well, it has to be a square.
So there's two different books.
Square. I don't understand. It's this big and it's in a nutshell. Well, it's the entire universe in a nutshell.
Well, actually, it's only Earth, but
Freak out mode.
The universe.
By Stephen Hawking.
In a nutshell.
What an exaggeration! You don't know about my planet.
Whoa. What planet do you come from?
You will never know.
My mind has been blown. This was written by Stephen Hawking.
Well, what?
Dwarf planets have rights too, don't they?
Oh my goodness.
Just because it's a short little stubby planet doesn't mean.
Tony and Astronomy. This is why I couldn't stand astronomy. I could never planned it.